I'm Brian DeLuca and this is eDesign It. Today we're talking all about switches, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Switches play a critical role in the flow of electrical current to a circuit board. They are used in a variety of electronic devices and systems, from simple household appliances to complex electronics. So what are switches? Switches are electronic components that make or break electrical circuits, interpreting the current or diverting it from one conductor to another. Essentially, it allows the users to control the flow of electricity to the circuit, enabling or disabling the operation of connected devices. So how do switches work? The operation of a switch is based on a single mechanical mechanism. When the switch is in the on position, it completes the circuit, allowing the current to flow through. Conversely, when it's in the off position, it breaks the circuit, stopping the flow of current. This basic principle makes switches indispensable in managing electrical systems. So there are a lot of types of switches out there, and you should always base your choice of switch based on the application and the requirements of your project. Here are some of the most common switches. Toggle switches use a lever that can be moved between two or more positions. Push-button switches are activated by pressing a button, which then returns it to its original position. Slide switches operate by sliding a knob along a track. Rocker switches rock back and forth to open and close the circuit. Rotary switches are operated by rotating a knob to different positions. Dip switches are a series of small switches in a dual inline package allowing multiple settings. Micro switches are very small switches that require minimal physical force to activate. Limit switches are activated by the physical movement of an object, commonly used for detecting position. Proximity switches are activated without physical contact, typically using magnetic, capacitive, or optical methods. The development of new materials has led to the creation of new and more reliable switches. Understanding the different types of switch and their use in applications is essential for anyone designing, building, or repairing electronics. For more on electronics, make sure to like and follow eDesign It, and remember to visit edesignit.com.